This will probably make a little bit more sense now. I've got some of the pieces in place. So I built the little stud parts of it, and now we're getting the shell over. We've got a slope, comes around, and then it will kick out there. So get this all screwed on and then cover them over with tile and grout him so he's waterproof. Made a start on the sheetrock. As predictable for this country, the sheetrock here is much worse quality than in England. It's like just full of air. It's a lot lighter and just, yeah. But it is what it is. I could order from a specialist guy, but I would have to pay for all sorts of delivery and extra things, and it would just hold me up. So, yeah, but made a good amount of progress with one. Because I had a helper, I've just been putting in as many full sheets as possible. I'll come back and do the detailing work, because these bits I can do by myself, and then I'll get him up here for another day. We'll come back along this wall and do the kitchen as well. Good news and bad news time. So I had a feeling that this sheetrock was really bad quality. Look, most times when you complain in this country, you're just barking at the moon. But in this particular case, I went back to the builder's merchant, and it turns out, of course, they weren't going to tell you this unless you complained. Turns out this was a bad batch. This has all been produced really poorly. You can break it in your hand. So they are actually going to replace this for me with a better quality sheetrock. So it's nice, because I was kind of worried about it, but obviously I've lost several days work. You know, I've paid Juan to come and help me put these up, and I'm taking them down today, and we're going to replace these ones tomorrow. So, but it is what it is, and at least I'll have a better finished product. Almost ready to start the detailing on the sheetrock. Been measuring and cutting all of the pieces to go up the top here, but I need my helper with me to get that done. A little bit in the corner to put in. A few little details. I've got some corner beading. Here I'm going to wait until I've got my frame set up, and put the metal stud in accordingly, so that it goes across nicely across the header. I can't do this section yet. I've got a leak somewhere on one of the beams on the roof. I'm gonna have to go up there and check that, but we'll get that sorted out and come around the corner and get the kitchen done in the next week or so. And yeah, it'll start really looking like a house.